Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to add someone to your lists in X. Lists in X allow you to organize and group accounts based on your preferences. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of adding someone to your lists. Let's get started. Step 1. Open X on your device. Once the app is open, you'll be taken to the main screen. Step 2. Next, locate the account icon, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the account icon to access your account settings. Step 3. In the Account Settings menu, look for the 3 dots menu, which represents additional options. Tap on the 3 dots menu to continue. Step 4. From the options that appear, select the Add Remove from List feature. This feature allows you to manage your lists. Step 5. You'll now see a list of available lists. Tap on the specific list you want to add the person to. You can choose from existing lists or create a new one if needed. Step 6. Once you've selected the appropriate list, X will add the person to that list. They will now be categorized and grouped accordingly. And that's it. You have successfully added someone to your lists in X. Now you can easily manage and organize your accounts based on your preferences. Thank you for watching, and may your experience on X be even more personalized and organized with your lists.